Hi guys, it's Tammy and this is my Christmas crate. So I don't know if you guys saw last month, but I started getting this last month, and this is a monthly subscription box and it's all about Christmas. And I thought that it would be great to kind of get myself in the spirit of things a little early, just to get in the spirit of things. I know I've shared before that sometimes Christmas is not so easy for me or for everybody. So, and you can win a free crate. There's some instructions on there. So when I saw this, I thought, ooh, this sounds like something I might like. A special delivery from the elves. And then it tells me everything that I've gotten. So I will look at that after I've looked at this. And the packaging is just adorable. Oh my gosh. What is this? And last month the things were so cute, and this month it looks already to be no different. What is this? Like a little, I don't know what this is. Look. Oh, does it fit over a chair or something? Merry Christmas pillow wrap. Oh, how cute. So you can just put this around your pillow. And it just dresses it up. How nice is that? I love it. I will use that. And Yuletide envelopes. So these are from Pink Paisley. And looks like it is like little gift or cards and envelopes. So let's take a peek. Oh gosh, I love those envelopes. Oh, they're just envelopes, not just, but happy holidays, deck the halls, and they're on shiny, beautiful paper. Merry Christmas, jingle all the way, open on December 25th, and let it snow. So these are little envelopes that you can put whatever you'd like in there. I'm thinking gift cards. They would perfectly hold gift cards. How nice. Those are really pretty. I like how the envelope is too. And kids nowadays really like gift cards, so. Oh, wassail. Spiced apple cider drink mix. Oh my gosh, we love wassail, and look at this. You know I'm cutting this out and using that. I love that. And I love wassail. So to make this, you add 2 teaspoons of wassail to apple cider for an 8-ounce cup, or you can use the entire thing for a gallon, and hot apple juice, and you've got yourself some hot wassail. And it has 2. I can use 2. Yay! I'm excited about that. We love wassail. This is cute. It's just a little sign, Merry Christmas, and it's made of wood. And it has burlap on the back. Very nice. Merry Christmas. And then it looks like there is a kitchen cloth. How nice. A set of 2. So there's one with red stripes and one with green stripes. And they are about 12 by 12. Maybe a little bigger. But yeah, you can use this as a dish towel, I suppose, or a cloth, like a washcloth. Very nice. There's the 2 and the cute bow. I love that. I'm keeping that. So that is everything in my Christmas box. How cute. I am really excited about the wassail. Maybe more excited than I should be, but I can't help it. And this is really cool. So let me see what it says about this stuff. So it says Christmas candy striped hand towels. So they are hand towels. And you can find those at designimports.com. Christmas on the Farm wassail by Brownlow Gifts combines orange peel, lemon peel, nutmeg, cinnamon, and sugar. Perfect cider for your holiday and family get-togethers. You can find that at brownlowgift.com. Distressed Merry Christmas wooden sign will work with any room in your office or home, and you can find that at mychristmascrate.com. The foiled gift envelopes by Pink Paisley can be found at pinkpaisley.com. And add a decorative Christmas touch to your home with any Christmas pillow wraps. Turn an ordinary pillow into a festive piece instantly. Find more at christmascrate.com. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'm kind of excited. I do like this stuff. Have a wonderful day. Merry Christmas.